Scrimshaw, 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 Scrimshaw. And you're gonna drink it. Nós olhamos on the floor somewhere.
Father Dan Scrimshaw tells me this milk can help me with my bad back.
Here at Scrimshaw Dairy, my son and I guarantee a nice healthy quality that's going to induce you with weird things.
That's a Scrimshaw guarantee.
It's definitely whiskey.
Boy, Dad, I feel like a real goof if I didn't buy your old milk.
When I was a younger man, I told my son Schnoz about the milk products that we offered at our family business. His older sister, Suksakuk, a Russian woman that I had sex with, and then we got an aunt involved, and then we had Schnoz, and he's very special. Well, you know what? Milk can really weigh you down, but it's very good for you.
I have problems with my general, Dad.
His penis is growing at a very rapid rate. We don't know what's wrong with him. Half an inch a day.
Dad's
nothing wrong with my milk. Get over here, son.
Hey. Oh, Papa!
Normally what my son and I like to do on our nice Sunday wind down is to have a couple of nice big glasses of Schnozly milk, and then we hang out on the couch for a little bit.
Scrimshaw is my dad. I'm gonna do a milk beer shot for my Scrimshaw family. Oh, the milk.
I'm very proud of you, son. That was very impressive.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey. I have a very special connection with my son. And that's it. I'm pouring us a couple Molson and Milks.